Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JK Fishing. Today we are fishing Turkey Point MacDonald Marina, one of the biggest freshwater marinas in all of Canada. So it's late September right now, so we're going to be targeting pike. Now let's get to the fishing.
Going? Okay, tight and drag maybe.
Fish?
Pike. Bass, big bass. Look at the net. Nice, good sized bass. Fun fight on the late rod. Getting closer. What kind of...
Wow. Keeper. That's a nice pass. Heads up, guys. Heads up.
What is it?
Here, I got him.
You got him? Good size, largey.
This thing is a monster.
Come on. Going? Tighten the drag.
Pike?
Put it down. Hold on. We'll help you. Joe, can you grab this or what? Grab the net.
Just pull him in. Tell Jack to move. Yes, but
Jack,
give him time.
I know.
I need to wax these eyes bad.
Give me a fish. Give me a bass. Whoa.
Hold my rod. Watching the motor. Yeah, it's going down there. There it is. White spinner.
That's a good bass.
Good 1-2 pound bass. What was that? Another one. The orange spinner is going. Oh my god. No, that was huge. That was a pike. That was massive.
One. That's another pike.
Can I reel it in?
Let Jack try reeling it in. He's already got it in, Jack.
I never got to catch a pike.
Hey, grab this.
And the hook already flopped out. Nice
The
little
GoPro was angled so far down.
northern pike.
But none of that was on video. I don't like netting them. Look at this small now. Oh shoot. He wants to weigh it.
Is that a decent one? Big enough to keep or no?
Right, Johnny. Just a bit right. Good. Okay, no casting towards that boat, please.
Oh no! Another one. That was a good one too.
So the baits that we're using for these marina bass and pike are these just standard spinner baits. We like to use them because they have the element of flashiness due to the blades on the end of it, and they also have the element of a jig, because fish love jigs and they love shiny things, so you put the two together and you get a spinner bait. One thing that we like about these two is the hooks on them. These usually have a pretty big sized hook on them, and it's a single hook, so it's easier to set, and you don't have to worry about it pulling like you would a small treble. So the line we're running is basically 15 to 20 pound braid. You need it strong because the pike have very sharp teeth and will fray your line. Sometimes you need to retie your line after catching a pike. We're running medium to medium light setups. They get a good fun fight with these pike because they're not too big in the marina. And just 2,000 to 4,000 size reels. You don't need to go much heavier, it's a little overkill. Anyways, back to the fishing. Got one.
Got one? Oh yeah.
No, he's fit it.
Was that a bass?
He was flopping on the surface. I went
You can't horse him in like
I went to set the hook on him. I wasn't trying to horse him.
No. There's one, got one. Pike, baby. Woo, look at him go. Pike. Nice colors. You want to eat him? Move, Jack, move. Gotta blur that out now.
Oh my god, that's big.
Yeah, it's a little tiny.
Oh, it's big.
Net job. There we are.
Holy shit.
There you have
Go
it.
up inside the pail if you need it.
Holy shit. That was here? In my line right there. Line picture?
Someone's so calm about it. I love Pike. Oh, I just got hit.
You did?
Yeah.
You think swimming? Got one. Tighten it.
It's a little bass.
Nice little guy.
Watch the hook by your feet, Joe. Don't step on it.
It's looking in.
Nice little bass
You hit it once.
on the spinner. Let me show it to the camera quickly. And here, hold it.
Gotta get a quick pick.
Let me just see. Hey, show it to the camera. It's a nice little fish on the spinnerbait.
Like 2 feet here.
There's one. Got one.
I just got hits too.
Got one.
Bass?
Little bass.
I just got hits too.
Ooh, little dinker bass.
Look, look, get the tag.
Hey. Come here. You want to use a spinner? Come here.
Am I allowed
Another
to
little
use this
bass.
one, or am I just gonna mess with another rod?
White spinnerbait, guys.
Come here. Watch for
Actually,
snags.
I'll use one.
A perch. Oh, a pike just missed mine.
There he's. Oh, I missed mine too.
That was the same guy. I saw him cruise through.
So when you're fishing for pike in the fall, we like to run bigger baits than normal because these pike are really feeding before the winter ice comes up. And even later when you get into October, November, just really emphasize bigger baits, guys. We like to do a slower retrieve too because it keeps the bait in the strike zone longer. And since pike are very territorial, the longer it is in their territory, more of a chance you're going to get a hit. Okay? And we noticed we were hooking a lot of bass. Johnny, tell us why that was.
We were hooking a lot of bass because, as with the pike, these bass, especially the big ones, are going into winter mode. So they're just eating anything they can, hence their large mouths. And sometimes you'll catch these bass and they look like they're spawning, but they're not really spawning. It's just because they're feeding crazy on everything. But the bass bite does tend to slow down towards later fall. So like once you hit mid-October, the bass stop feeding because it gets too cold for them. But the pike are still going strong then.
Okay, for the last time, my rod just came apart.
Alright, look at the size of this fish I got.
No way. No way.
Look how vicious these bass are, these tiny ones.
You guys just hit the spinner, nice. What is it? Okay, you know what?
Okay, look, I got one.
Oh, nice little bass.
Pike.
Another guy.
It's my 4th bass of the day.
Ah.
Jamie.
Oh my god.
Do you have fish?
Fish.
Oh my. Wow. Tighten your drag, tighten your drag.
Tighten it, tighten it, tighten it.
That looks like a bass, doesn't it?
Okay.
That's a bass. Here's a bass.
Keep your tip up.
Wow, this is a heavy one. Hold it, hold my rod.
Get the neck, get the neck.
Hold my rod, hold my rod, hold my rod. Oh, it's in the weeds. Okay, don't pull then, don't pull.
No, don't pull. Just reel. Just reel. Keep your tip up and don't worry about gaining on it right now.
It's okay. You I told you not to reel.
Hey, Jamie, you're pulling way too hard, sweetheart.
That was a nice
Guys,
bass.
lesson there, when a fish takes you into the weeds like that, try not to pull against it, because most likely the hook can get caught in a weed and pull from the fish's mouth. So just kind of keep your rod tip out and away from the weeds and just try and hold it there. There's a fish.
That's a nice one. Whoa.
Pike?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh,
That's all
damn.
for JK Fishing, and hope you get on a big one.